Parts are acquired. Time to go home and probably mess something up. So we came to the steel stacks, and I don't know what I was thinking. Literally. I thought Cars and Coffee was today, but it's not. But I got some good footage. I filmed some like time lapse to go with next week's video, but it's all good, man. It's all good. Super green. I wouldn't say a pointless trip because we enjoyed ourselves, but to say at least we really didn't have to come here. A lot of cool stuff in Bethlehem. Since making videos, I feel like every time I'm tired, I don't want to be tired, and I just want to start doing fun activities. So Monica and the baby are sleeping. I'm gonna go to the hardware store because I have an idea for a trunk latch. Not sure if it'll work, but it might work. True Value, local hardware store. Here we go. Oh, we're getting closer. Yep. Almost there. These should do. Probably shouldn't do this, but why not? Trunk? Quick release? Totally forgot to film for some reason. I don't know why I got ahead of myself, but it started raining, that's why it's covered. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, this is a little gaudy, the chrome, but I'll paint that black and issue solved. No more open trunklet. Overall, I think it's a success. May have to repaint them, but for now, I can take off these. I win, but it's not bad, honestly. And really, who cares? Pretty even. I should have done a better job at painting, or been a little more patient. But again, who seriously cares that much? I know I don't. Next is also a storage unit and possibly finish painting. I don't know. Maybe just pack it up and call it a week. Who knows? A couple hours later, off to the unit. Completed. Painted the bolts black. I really like how they turned out. A little tacky, but I like it. Got some painting done. It's officially dry. I just got to put it all back on. Don't have time today, but I will do it someday. Now I'm just getting ready to put the 240 back in the garage. I would take it tomorrow, but I don't know. I really want to put it together and have it proper before I start driving it a lot. And I want to, I don't know. I just have a lot of work to do before I can actually take it out. Not quite there, but making progress. And that's how you shall say till next time.